Ever wondered how to start a raised bed garden? This method of gardening is a fantastic way to enrich soil quality, manage weeds with ease, and improve accessibility to your plants. Raised bed gardening involves growing plants in soil that's higher than the ground. Think of it as a large container for your plants right in your backyard. The benefits? You'll enjoy healthier plants, less strain on your back, and a garden that's easier to manage. Now that you understand the benefits of raised bed gardening, let's dig into how you can start your own. Before you start, gather all the necessary materials. You'll need a raised bed frame to contain your garden, fertile soil to nourish your plants, compost for added nutrients, mulch to retain moisture, and of course, your chosen seeds or plants. With these materials in hand, you're ready to start building your raised bed garden. Building a raised bed garden is easier than you might think. First, select a sunny location where your plants will thrive. Next, set up your frame. A wooden box will do just fine. Once you've got that in place, fill it with a healthy mix of soil and compost to give your plants a nutrient-rich environment. Finally, it's time to plant your seeds or plants. And voila, your garden is ready. Congratulations! You've just built your raised bed garden. But the work doesn't stop here. Maintaining your raised bed garden is crucial for its success. This involves a few key tasks that need your attention. Watering is essential, but remember, too much can be as harmful as too little. Mulching helps to retain moisture and suppress weeds. Speaking of which, weeding is another task that can't be ignored. These pesky invaders compete with your plants for nutrients and water. By regularly maintaining your garden, you will ensure a healthy and fruitful harvest. So, are you ready to start your raised bed garden journey? We've covered the benefits, listed the materials, shown you how to build and maintain your garden. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.